So here's one last problem. Pawn plus 8 equals 10 plus 4, which this is read as 14. So if you ask your child, well, okay, so what is the rule? What can we remove from both sides? They should hopefully recognize that 8 and 14 are both numbers, and you can remove the smallest amount from each side. So I'm going to remove 8, and so this 8 will become 0, and then 14 minus 8, that's what they're doing in their head, is 6. So this side is 6, and essentially 0 is really not worth anything, so I can just remove it from the board, and so I'm left with pawn equals 6. So algebraically, this is like x plus 8 equals 14, and then your child is removing 8 from both sides, and so they're left with x only because 0 is nothing. X equals 14 minus 8, which was 6. So the check is just 14 equals 14. Please like and follow for more so your young child can learn how to do equations that involve the blue pawn and the opposite of the blue, or x and the opposite of x. And we also then have positive, but also integers that are negative. So it gets really exciting. So again, please like and follow for more so you can keep up with how to teach your child to use hands-on equations.